welcome back to another video. And today we are doing a reaction video. And this is an advert. Copyright. Okay, this is made by the SCP Foundation, so what the heck?
I can only assume this is the beginning of my sudden descent into insanity. I can't possibly be that bad of a navigator. And yet I've been trapped in IKEA for 2 days.
What? 2 days? That's crazy, bro.
I thought it was a prank at first.
Yeah, it
Turn
definitely
the place
is.
into a maze, get all the other customers out, see how long it takes me to get lost. I realized that wasn't the case when I tried to backtrack.
It's not a prank?
Everything had changed. Instead of the exit, it was just row after row of bookcases. So, I'm trapped in IKEA. The lights went out at 10 p.m. Nearly gave me a heart attack.
Yeah, once I was playing
Place
the
is full
game
of
in
beds,
Roblox,
though.
like
My phone has a
the
flashlight on it,
SCP-3000.
but no signal. So I found a bed and went to sleep. I spent most of the next day trying to find my way out with no luck. I did find a restaurant
I
serving
found
those
the
meatballs, though, so at least I won't
SCP-3008.
starve. They were still warm and fresh.
So
But
I
haven't seen anyone
found.
around who could have cooked them.
Sorry, guys.
I made
Sorry
my way
for
back
that.
to the beds before the lights cut out again, since it's too dark to search with them off.
So once I was playing Roblox and I found the same game about SCP-3008, and there was a lot of beds there. So yeah. Day 3. Ooh, 3
I
days.
wasn't sure there was something weird about this place before.
It is
I
weird.
am now. I walked in a straight line for 3 hours before I
Jeez,
came across a ladder
bro.
next to one of those huge stock shelves that they have here.
Yeah, they have stock shelves.
Climbed up to get my bearings, and it looks
Yeah.
like this place just stretches on forever.
Yeah, I saw
Like
it.
that
It was
scene from The
super
Lion
big.
King, except instead of trees and grass, it's all these shelves and tables and crap. I did see a person moving not too far away, though.
Ooh,
so I
that's
headed
good.
over.
That's very good.
I
That's
thought it
very
was a
good.
staff member at first.
And it is.
It
It
was
has,
wearing a
it has the
uniform.
uniform, so
And maybe it
should
was.
be.
Maybe freakish 7-foot-tall monsters with long arms, short legs, and no faces. Just the kinds of employees they wanted Super IKEA. The thing completely ignored me, though.
What?
No eyes or ears. I can't even be sure it knew I was there. I thought about shoving it or something to get its attention,
But it's too
but its hands were big enough to crush a watermelon. So I decided against it.
Smart.
It just kept moving along,
Smart.
and eventually I lost sight of it, so I decided to carry on the way I was going.
Smart.
Anyway, no comfy bed for me tonight. Looks like I've entered the hard and pointy table section of the store. Guess I'll have to make do with some bunched up tablecloths. My phone battery died during the day too. Didn't work anyways, but I still feel like I've lost some vital lifeline.
That's bad. Day 6, bro.
I finally found some other people. Last night, 2 of those staff
Oh
came
god,
at me
that's
in the dark.
scary, kinda. But it's
Different from the
not
first one I
so
saw.
scary.
But still messed up.
Yeah, it's messed up.
I heard them coming. They were saying that the store was closed and I had to leave the building. All nice and polite.
We
Terrifying.
are closing soon. Please start to make your way towards the exit.
The store is now closed.
That's creepy. That's creepy.
I'm not sure which part of that was weirder.
Hagen, that's
That they
creepy.
don't have mouths, or that they were apparently
Or maybe
trying to
this is
kill me
just
while they were
copyright.
saying it. I saw it when I cleared another stand of those giant stock shelves, all lit up with torches and floodlights.
Oh,
Built a
that's
whole town
good,
down here.
right? A
Got massive hall
town!
built out of shelves and beds and tables and whatever else.
Falcon
I swear, it
9.
was the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. Anyway, I guess they saw me coming, or maybe they heard my bellows of fear, because I had a gate open and 2 people were waving me in. I heard the staff thing slam into the gate behind me after it closed, still politely informing us to please exit the building. Eventually they lost interest and just wandered away.
Jeez, that's crazy.
They call the town Exchange, because that's what's on the sign hanging from the ceiling directly above it. Exchange and returns. It's all lit up against the night using lights they found and plugged into the power lines. And there are beds and food and people. Over 50 wonderful people, with regular-sized limbs and a full set of facial features.
This is weird.
I've been trapped here for 2 weeks now. Most of the people I asked said they stopped keeping track a long time ago. And one guy said he's been in here for years. There are rumors of people who do manage to get out.
Sad.
People who see the exit only to have it vanish before their very eyes.
Which is
I went out
bad.
scavenging for food at a nearby shop with
So
Sandra
this
and Jerry
is
today.
Sandra, I
Once you learn the
bet,
landmarks
and
of
this
place,
is
it's not so hard
Jerry,
to
and this
navigate.
is Person.
The overhead signs help a lot, but there are others. Not too far in the distance, a huge section of those giant stock shelves has collapsed against each other. And miles away, it looks like there's a giant wooden tower where someone might have tried to break through the roof to escape. It's at least a few days' walk from Exchange, so nobody knows for sure. We found some food in the shop. Guess the staff restocked it
That's
during the
good.
night, which was nice
He's
of them.
just throwing it like
There's a telephone on the
bat.
wall, so I figured I'd try it out. There's a voice on the other end, but they were just talking nonsense. Random words strung together with no real meaning.
Maybe it's Swedish, SCP Swedish,
Sandra
bro.
says all the phones in here are the same.
Maybe it's just Swedish
The staff attacked
mixed
the
up
exchange
with.
last night. Must have been 20
It's
or 30
probably
asking
like
us to leave the
Swedish
store as
mixed
calm
up
as you
with
like,
SCP
while trying to
thingy.
smash the walls down with their bare hands. Apparently this happens pretty regularly, so everyone was prepared for it. We had knives from the restaurant, lawnmower blades made into hatchets, a fire axe. One guy, Wasim, even made a functional crossbow.
Well, seems fat
The
because
walls have
there was a
holes in them,
belly.
which I hadn't even noticed before. But they're there specifically so we can stab out the staff when they attack. Took a couple of them down myself.
Look,
They
that's
don't
how
seem
I.
to bleed, which is weird.
I'm stabbing one.
But they go down as easy as a regular person once you start sticking holes in them.
Stab in
We
the
had to haul the
head.
bodies away in the morning.
Stabby, 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 stabby.
So we had to get them away from Exchange. We have a couple of those trolley things they use to move big boxes around, so we loaded them up and took them over to pick up. People just name everything in here after whatever sign is hanging overhead. My curiosity got the better of me while I was unloading them. So I took a look at one of the more cut up ones. They're just
This
skin.
is
All the
skin.
way through.
They're just skin.
No muscle, no bone, no organs. Are they even really alive in the first place?
That's
Just one more thing on the
weird.
ever-increasing list of weirdness that goes on here, I guess.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I just need to skip that. I hate.
I've ordered clothes for my family twice over the last week. Brilliant. And from M&M, and I
M&Ms.
I've been here for a little over 2 months now. Not that much changes, as it turns out. A couple of the new people showed up. Same story as the rest of us. The staff attack the exchange once or twice a week. We killed them, and we hauled their bodies off. But sometimes there's casualties. They killed this guy, Jared, a couple weeks back.
Sky and Jared.
It was awful, frankly. Turns out regular humans still bleed in here, even if the staff don't. We tried our best, but none of us are doctors. Jared was a good guy. He deserved better. We all do.
It's true. I mean, but now you have free IKEA.
I tried talking to people about the stuff they missed from home during dinner today. Probably not the best idea I've ever had. Everyone seemed pretty down after. A bunch of people here have families. Husbands and wives, kids, dogs.
Just sad.
Apparently some of the people here have some seriously odd gaps in their knowledge. The more I thought about it though, the more it started to explain a few things. What if the reason no one is looking for all its missing people is because we haven't come from the same place? Maybe all the people here have come from different dimensions or realities. Sarah comes from a place where there's no Statue of Liberty. They didn't launch a space station where Wasim is from. If everyone here came from different places, even from ones that seem identical, there'd be no missing persons panic. No mass
Okay.
search. We'd just be a blip. A single missing person in a world of non-stop news.
Who cares though? I mean, I'm not
The
saying.
staff attacks have been getting worse lately. 3 or 4 times a week now. With twice as many staff as there used to be. No idea where they all come from, or why the attacks have increased. We tried following one of them during the day a few weeks ago. But we had to turn back before we found anything.
170.
The attacks are getting bad now. Almost every night. There were so many stabs, but the bodies almost pile high enough for the others to climb the walls. I think we're in real trouble here.
Day 172.
I think exchange is done. We got hit pretty bad last night.
Sad.
Not many casualties, but the wall is wrecked.
But the reaction.
We finally figured out why the attack's been escalating
Yeah.
too. A box of
I'm
supplies
gonna do
and
a
a chunk of one of the staff in there.
conclusion.
No idea how it happened, but apparently a piece of one will draw them as well as a full body. Too late now in any case. There's too many bodies for us to haul away and still have time to fix the wall before
Look,
night.
he's writing right
Janice
now.
has called a meeting. I suspect there'll be talk of abandoning exchange. Maybe try and get shelter at checkouts or something. It's already getting late though. I
So
don't think we'll have time
he's
to make
actually
it.
the one who's writing, so he's
Maybe some
writing
of us
right
will.
now.
I was fine for the first week out in the dark after all. But then, how often can I keep getting lucky? I'm only writing this for a sense of closure, I guess.
See?
I hope whoever's reading this is doing so from outside this place. Really, my biggest fear is that if I do die tonight, I'll just wake up here again in the morning.
Oh my god, that actually freaked me out. So, in conclusion, this is scary. See, what's another animated tale? Because this is like, never mind. So, yeah, guys, thank you for watching today's video, and I see you in the next one. When Captain Scout.